Well, the times aren't that far off. Okay, we have,
You're 8/10 faster than me.
really?
Yeah.
I thought you were 9.2.
Yeah, and you were 8/4.
Oh, I thought it was 8.6.
You were 8/4.
Okay. Well, we'll see how it goes. Okay, we got 1950s Formula One cars. IM2's in first place with a Lotus 16. Joel's in second with a Gordini. These are all Cartrix cars and they're all inlines. Interestingly enough, some of them, the motors are turned around. It's, you see,
Mm-hmm.
this is a can drive and the others are, that's interesting. Okay, we're gonna do 125 laps with fuel on, and there's a 5-second penalty for coming off because the track hall doesn't go on for 5 seconds.
That was 2 seconds. I saw 2
No,
seconds.
it's 5.
Yeah.
That's what it was last week. I love that fire engine thing.
Shiggy to the rescue.
Yeah. Press both for you.
Hey, it works this week.
Yeah, I figured out why. It got confused because I didn't clear the.
I got it.
I can reach those.
Oh, okay.
Do you need me to acetone your tires again?
Me?
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay.
Press both, draw.
Yep.
Right now, I think it's mainly it's driving differently, because of the
Because of the
fuel.
fuel.
Yeah, and I only crashed the second time because I ran into Joel. Oh, man.
I got it.
You reach out?
Yeah. Okay. You want outside or inside? Okay.
Haha, you didn't get there.
So you get to go in front of him.
What do I have to do, hit him?
Yeah, you'd have to hit him in order for him to go behind
Or
you.
pass me.
Yeah, or
I
pass.
think I could have passed, I would have fishtailed him.
Oh. Couldn't see him.
He did the same thing I did the previous one.
I'm gonna turn on the light. I forgot to turn that on.
Oh, so it'll distract you more from a car being off in that corner?
No.
monitor just it went off.
Wow.
Oh, really? Oh, shit. Well, that's not good. That should take care of it.
Do you need to turn it back on?
Yeah.
There it goes.
Okay. Where am I?
Right behind Joel. Or right
Oh,
behind Joel.
right in front of Joel. Okay.
Press both buttons.
Ooh. I thought maybe I was gonna be on a dead spot, but I didn't.
Yeah, it was like being at the Hornet. Just plopped it right back in the slot.
Now remember, fuel is just the lane change, is all you have to do.
What?
Just the lane change for
Just the
fuel.
lane change when you go into pit?
Right, when you go into the pits, just leave your finger on the lane change and you'll be fine.
Dang it.
That's not good. I tiptoed that one for sure.
Corner's killing me.
Yeah, you had trouble with that one before.
Yeah. If I had a wider front right tire, I could probably make that turn.
See how the fuels go.
I wrecked.
Don't forget to press your lane change right away, so press both, yeah, that was-
I got the 155, they didn't give me the, oh, I was looking in the wrong place for the to go.
the 5 seconds is a killer, isn't it?
Yep.
I'm giving myself a handicap. I have to come in for fuel on the warning. It's the next lap, I'll do it.
From what we tell the Joel, that all that means is that you're gonna do half a lap. If you didn't, you would be doing half a lap without fuel.
Well, this obviously doesn't make as much difference as the other one. I can adjust burn rates too, but I don't know the ratios yet. Yeah.
Well, here, I think you're better off just reducing tank size.
Yeah, we could do that. By the way, I didn't take this car. I did a blind thing when you were here.
Either Mike got past you. Dan says he's flat track for
Oh yeah?
Oh. You're gonna have a Daytona 500 viewing party and a flat track race on Sunday.
Oh yeah?
So I'm gonna go down for that.
Cool.
What are you gonna run on the flat top?
What?
What are you gonna run on the flat top?
Well, eventually everything. The first race is gonna be the stock car. What he really wants to run on the flat track are the angle winder coupe retros.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man.
Yeah, you're almost out of fuel, Joe.
I know, and I was hustling around and it didn't work. Damn it. Can I do it again?
It didn't think. It didn't help you, did it?
He was under the wall. The power surge when he went into the pits.
So now, Joe, you have to press both of them and then hold down the lane change after that.
Oh, you gave it to him?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Interesting.
Can I let off the button?
Yeah. Where it says pit stop, it'll turn green. If you want to pull. Gosh. Now I'm doing a Joel.
Good, you can have it.
And my nose was under the wall.
You figure that little cap would get me out.
I don't know. We'll announce when we're pressing the button.
Because even with cutting my fuel, I'm still. Whoa. I'm still getting the same fuel mileage as you. So I have to make bigger changes when I make the fuel changes.
Still showing me in third position. Oh, there we go. Yeah, in third position, though, I'm also a lap ahead of Joel.
This isn't gonna be anything. Oh, I know why. It's showing my fastest time.
Oh, on position?
Yeah. Because I didn't change it from quality. You can do that now, actually. I'm sticking there and do that. better not. Can't do it. Thought I could. Yeah, you're actually in second place. Right. Okay. Too much to remember. It'd be nice if you could set them up so that the race went. You know, so that whatever race you set up, you can put all the parameters in for you. And that may be possible, I just don't know.
Same corner.
Yeah, he's had trouble with that all night.
I know, but we come into the pits and Joel starts crashing.
I do.
Don't do that, Joel.
I'm trying not to. Told you, wider right front tire.
Yeah. Oh, that was dumb. I was only going really slow.
And I was thinking, should I brake check him? And I didn't.
Oh, did you?
No, I didn't. I was driving like I was because the way I have to.
Yeah.
And you ran in the back of me.
Yeah, I was barely on the throttle because I was backing off. But you see, it's so hard to pass on the outside lane that
Yeah.
you want to get right behind them. That gave you half a lap. So.
We're about halfway. We're just over halfway now. I hit you.
Yep. My favorite parking spot.
Yeah. The wall. The wall at turn 6. And just so you know, Joel scrambled the cars when I
That's fine.
I got you now.
Oh, you went extra hard to get by him?
No, I thought I couldn't see exactly where he was, and I thought maybe I could get by, but because the sign is in the way,
That means
blinding me with the colors.
Isn't that what I said? I think driving here is going to help me learn to drive flat track. Ready?
Yep.
I think we maximized our distance.
Yep, we did. That didn't work, Shiggy.
No, it didn't. No, it didn't.
I saw that one coming.
Here we go.
So what car are you gonna run on Sunday?
Stock car.
Like our stock cars?
No, the commercial stock cars on the flat track
Oh, okay.
in Richland. I'll show you pictures. I see, that's my car.
Yes. Oh, shit. Joel?
Hey,
Joel?
all right.
It's your fault. It's your
What
fault,
did I
Joel.
do? I wasn't in my parking spot. Is that what you're
You
saying?
kept on doing it so often I had to join you.
I think he dropped oil in that corner.
Yeah, right.
There you go.
There you go. That must be
That's what I did.
it. You made sure I hit the slick. And now I gotta deal with the cement. I think that's only my third off time. Ooh, that was a mistake.
Whoop.
You pressed both of them.
Yeah.
Oh, then I got it.
You must have hit both of them.
Me?
Yeah, because that'll induce a crack fault.
I didn't touch anything.
Oh, you just didn't go?
Yeah, I guess not. I guess that's what happened.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Ah, must be catching. That sequence right there, if you don't get it just right,
I know.
it's,
For me, it's really hard.
yeah, it's not easy.
short fill.
Yeah, accidentally. Oh, Joel did a short film?
He sure did a short fill. I was looking to see how much time I had to get by, and I should have been able to go, that it started immediately.
I take it you're in?
I think so.
Yeah, you are.
So even with my self-imposed limit, I'm still getting about the same mileage as you are. So that means I have to make bigger steps when I'm doing DOT.
Oh, yeah. And I would do it by reducing tank size.
Well, I can also do it by the number of steps that it takes to make 1 liter's worth of gas, to use 1 liter's worth of gas. There's an adjustment that it starts at 2,000, and I dropped it down to 1990 to see what kind of difference it would make. Standardly to see what, so I can adjust that. You know, what it does is it means that I burn more fuel per lap because of the steps in the controller. So,
But you still spend the same amount of time in the pits because
yes,
you're not putting much fuel in.
right.
Looking at the wrong car for fuel. I'm gonna go in on this. There's the line.
So you,
On cue.
I'm beginning to wonder if you guys hit in the pit right when I hit that corner. I go out automatically.
yeah.
Okay. Full tank should just get me to the finish if I was doing 125, but I don't need all of that.
Yeah.
Let's see if I do it. Usually a pretty bold notice of what was going on. And since we're getting those, I'm glad we don't get damage.
What's that?
The inadvertent, that's all.
Oh,
That,
I can make you have to do a stop and go every time you hit track hall. That would make sense. Really shitty.
Yeah, especially with these inversions.
Yeah. Ooh.
Anywhere near that amount of fuel. Really could have been half a tank, I think.
Yeah, I gotta stop the fuel.
And that's all.
Didn't work.
Well, I was being fair by showing you when I was pressing the buttons and I didn't have the trigger pulled.
Oh, and everybody has to finish now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I forgot to punch the other one. Oh, sorry guys.
Well, that means I probably need to do another stop.
Oh, Christ, which means I just have to trundle around?
That's weird.
Yeah,
At least get in the outside lane.
yeah, I will.
You could go into the pits and do a pit stop.
Sure, sure. Oh, shit. Sorry.
Oh man. Get back over there. Oh, now I need to make a pit stop.
Oh, you got enough to go.
I don't think so. Oh shit. Then I come in behind you. I need you to pull out. Thank you.
I guess I have to make sure I change that.
Okay, I'm in the outside lane now. See Joel.
We're turning around waiting for Joel.
Wait, that's full throttle.
Yep. This is full throttle for me too. There we go. Yay!
And Joel runs out of fuel before he crosses the line. Yeah. Almost. He has 3.4.
Oh, jeez. Well, that would have been good if you were, in a place that you could use that.
Oh boy.
Oh, that was funny. But so I guess that, the learning experience here is that